Hello everyone. Today I will discuss Cohen-McCluskey or tabular method. What is the limitation of K-map or Boolean algebra? When number of variable increases from 4, then it becomes very complex to minimize any Boolean expression by using K-map or Boolean laws and theorem. Then we use Cohen-McCluskey or tabular method. In this, there are some procedure. This is your procedure. Okay, the first point is you have to arrange all the minterms according to number of ones present in binary representation. Then you will compare every nth group with next group, means n plus 1 group. Now what is the possible combination? For this again it use gray code. The possible combination is at one time. Okay, only one variable should change. This is your step. Two terms from adjacent group are combined if their binary representation differ by just a single digit in same position. In same position there should change only one variable. Okay, next, now you have to continue this procedure, means this step comparing nth group with n plus 1th group. Okay, and until we get the combination, and then you will check the prime implicant. Now the final step, you have to make a prime implicant chart. Okay, what you will do, you will write down each minterms in column and you will write down prime implicant in row. You know what is prime implicant? It is group of minterms. Then step number C, you have to select the essential prime implicant. Then again you have to select the essential prime implicant by reduced prime implicant chart, and this step repeat D and E step. You have to repeat this step. Okay, for this, suppose you are taking any example. Suppose you have to minimize sigma m 3, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus sigma d 1, 4, 6. These are the don't care terms, these are the min term. Now first step is arrange according to number of ones present in it. Now in group 0 there is 0 not in this question. Okay, so G0 is not possible. Now G1, group G1, this is group G1. G1 means in all the min terms only one is present. For example, 1 and 4, it is given in question 1 and 4. Okay, then make group 2 where 2 ones are present, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, then group 3, G3, where 3 ones are present, 11, 3 ones present, then 13, 3 ones present, then 14, 3 ones present. Then G4, where 4 ones are present, 15, so 1, 1, 1. Similarly, you can make next group G5 where 5 1 are present. Next G6 where 6 ones are present. Now you will compare this with this and this plus this group and this group with this group. Now first we compare this and this. Okay, in this, and you have to check the box, this you have to mark this symbol. Now 0 0 1 and 0 0 1, this is possible? Yes. Why? Because only one variable is changing. 0 0 same and 0 1 changing, 0 2 1 changing and 1 1 same. So just 0 0, if it is changing, just write down dash. So 0 0 dash 1 1 3. Then similarly 1 or 6, it is not possible because two variables are changing. Then 1 or 9, yes, it is possible because only one variable is changing. 1 9 dash 0 0 1. So write down 1 9. Then 1 12, again it is not possible because in 1 or 12 three variables are changing. The rule is at one time only one variable will change at same position. Similarly compare with 4 with 3 6 9 12. 4 6 possible, similarly 4 12 possible, and just check this. Okay, now we have compared this group with this group. Similarly compare this group with this group. Now compare 3 with 11, yes possible. 3 0 0 1 1, 11 1 0 1 1, only one variable is changing. Okay, 0 1. So dash 0 1 1. Repeat this process. Then 6 12 pause, 6 12 6 or sorry 14, yes possible. 9 11 possible, 9 13, 12 13 and 12 14. Now compare this with this. Again 11 15 possible because only one variable is changing. Then 13 15 is possible, one variable is changing. 14 15 is possible. Now this is your prime implicant. Again compare this group with this group and this group with this group. Now in this case you have to remember, first condition is dash must be in same position, then only you can compare. Okay, now we are comparing 1 3 and 3 11, not possible because dash is not in same position. 6 14 not possible. 1 3 and 9 11 is possible because dash is in same position and only one variable is changing. Okay, so 1 3 9 dash 0 dash 1. Okay, then similarly compare 1 9 with 3 11, same thing, just 1 9 with 3 11. Again you will get dash 0 dash 1. Now you do not need to write down 1 9 3 11 because we have already written this 1 3 9 11 is same as 1 9 3 11. Okay, then compare next 4 6 with this group. Now possible combination is 4 6 dash, yes, this 4 6 12 14, only this is possible because one variable is changing and dash is in same position. So 4 6 12 14 dash 1 dash 0. Then again compare 4 12. 4 12, it is possible, 4 12 is possible with 6 14. Okay, 6 14, 4 12 and 6 14 dash 1 dash 0. Okay, but you do not write it again because we already write down this 4 6 12 14. You know a plus a is nothing, it is a. So if 2 or more than 2 are coming same group, just write down one time. Then now compare this with this group. Now not possible, not, just check dash, not here, not here. 9 11, yeah, 9 11 again it is not possible because dash is not in. 9 11 with 13 15, yes, it is possible. 9 11 and 13 15, dash is in same position and only one variable is changing, so it will be 1 dash dash 1. Okay, then 9 13 11 15, again the same thing, so just write down one time, 1 dash dash 1. Then 12 13, yes, 14 15, 1 1 dash dash. Okay, this is possible. Then 12 14 13 15, again 12 13 with 14 15, 1 1 dash dash, just write down one time. Now these are the final prime implicants. Okay, all are used, so there is no left prime implicant. If suppose this 1 3 is not covered here, you will write down in this table. Okay, here all are covered, so tick all the terms, because every time each is comparable at least one time. Okay, this is your minterms 1 3 9 11 group. These are prime implicant. Now write down, this is your prime implicants. Now write down all the groups. Okay, all the groups here. 1 3 9 11 prime implicant in rows. 1 3 9 11, then write down 4 6 12 14, then 9 13 11 15, then 12 13 14 15, and write down minterms in column. What are the minterms? 3 9 11 12 13 14 15. 3 9 3 9 11 12 13 14 15. You have to remember, always you have to remember, do not write don't care terms here. Here you will write down only minterms. Okay, these are the minterms and these are don't care terms. I am not writing don't care terms here. 1 4 6 I am not writing. This thing you have to remember always. Now tick 1 3 9 11, 3, just tick here 3 9 11. Next 4 6 12 14. Where is 4? 4 is not here, 6 is not here, 12 14, yes, 12 here, 14 here. Next 9 13 11 15, 9 13 11 and 15. Now 12 13 14 15, 12 13 14 15. Now you have to determine the essential prime implicant, and the condition is that in one column there must be only one this symbol. Okay, checkbox symbol. So only one in this, yes, only one. So just in front of this highlight by red color. Okay, I highlighted 1 3 9. It means it is confirmed essential prime implicant. This is EPI 1 3 9 11. Okay, next no single one, no single, no single, no single, no single, no single, no single. There is no single. Check in column. So till now you have determined only this 1 3 9 11. Okay, this is your EPI. Now again make the reduced PI chart. Now these are already covered 1 3 9 11. So now we will not write down 1 3 9 11. Okay, again write down these things 12 13 14 15, because 3 9 11 these are already covered here, so I will not write down. Now 12 13 14 15 these are not covered. Okay, so I will write down 12 13 14 15. This is reduced. Now again do not include this 1 3 9 11 in this reduced PI chart. Again write down 4 6 12 14, then 9 13 11 15, 12 13 12 13 14 15. Again just do the same thing, just 12 14 13 15, 12 13 14 15. Now you have to check where all these minterms are available. Okay, you are again not getting single. Check in right symbol in single column. Now it is your responsibility, you have to check where 12 these minterms are available. 12 13 14 15, 12 here not possible, again here not possible, 12 13 14 here possible, 12 13 14 15. Okay, so the final answer will be 1 3 9 11, which you got from here, and 12, 13, 14, 15. And what is 1, 3, 9, 11? This is your B dash D. And what is 12, 13, 14, 15? This is AB. 1, 1 dash dash. So AB. So this is your final reduced expression. If you will solve by using K-map, again you will get the same result. Conclusion is that in PI chart you have to determine the essential prime implicant. If you are not getting, if all minterms are not covered, you have to check whether all minterms, these minterms are covered or not. Again make reduced PI chart, and you do not need to include these don't care terms in column. Okay, and this is all about your tabular method. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.